Why Penuconda? When everyone is chasing locations closer to cities, why did we come here? At a time when most managed farmland companies are moving towards real estate and theme developments. We at Hebavu, we always will be focused on one thing, agriculture. For us, it's not about selling land. It's about building something sustainable, something that truly works in the long run. That's why when we choose a location, proximity to Bangalore is never our first priority. We look at every factor that supports real farming, the kind that impacts yield, consistency and long-term productivity. And it all starts with water. Penuconda is naturally blessed with consistent monsoons, reliable water sources, and a landscape filled with lakes, also supported by the Penna River flowing through the region for centuries. In fact, back to the time of Sri Krishna Devaraya. He didn't just build a kingdom, he built systems by interconnecting lakes, canals and water networks, transforming this region into a thriving agricultural hub. And even today, that foundation continues to support farming here. Penuconda benefits from dependable sources like the Handri-Neva Canal and the Gollapalli Reservoir, ensuring stable water availability for plantations. Then comes the land. The soil here is naturally fertile, and every acre we develop goes through detailed soil testing, so the right crops are grown in the right conditions. But farming isn't just about land and water, it's about the people behind it. Penuconda is an agriculture-driven region, where generations have been practicing farming for decades. There is a deep understanding of the land, the crops, and the care they require. And these are the very people who keep our farms running smoothly. Today, Hebavu manages over 1,200 plus acres of farmland within a radius of around 15 kilometers. This concentrated model allows us to optimize everything, making farm management efficient and consistent. This is exactly how we are able to offer zero maintenance cost, because efficiency comes from focus. And the right location doesn't just grow crops, it builds consistency, reliability, and long-term value. Penuconda isn't just where our projects are situated, it's the reason they work.